I got this in the mail from Amazon. I bought it. It wasn't that much, like 10 bucks. And I had seen an ad. It looks really cool. And I thought I would open it live and let's figure it out and see how it looks and play it. Let's go. So I guess the first thing I got to do is open it. I got the purple one, but there's lots of different colors to it. And I'm not exactly sure what to do. I think it's just like a fidgety thing. So I'm going to fidget. Wow, that's kind of cool. You just keep turning the gears and turning the gears, and then you just keep turning the gears to make different designs. It doesn't turn as smoothly as I would like, or it makes you think it turns, but I guess it needs to be warmed up. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description, but I don't know, kind of a cool, cheap little toy. That's all.